Class 6 IMO Level 2. Achiever section question number 46. The given figure not drawn to scale is made up of two overlapping squares ABCD and PQRS. PMCN is also a square. Find the perimeter of the given figure in terms of x. As we can see here, AD is 8x centimeters. Since a square has all sides equal, all of the sides are 8x centimeters. But DN is 6x centimeters. So that must mean that NC is 2x centimeters. Over here, QR is 5x centimeters. Since it's a square, all the sides are equal. So P to Q, it is 5x centimeters. Since PM is 2x centimeter, MQ is equal to 3x centimeters. So now that we know all the sides, we can find the perimeter. The perimeter is equal to 44x centimeters. Achiever section question number 47. Read the given statement carefully and select the correct option. Statement 1. If three numbers are in the ratio 3:4/7:2/5 such that their sum is 278, then the difference between the largest and smallest number is 182. Since we don't know the three numbers n1, n2 and n3, but we know their ratios, so we can take x as their common factor. So 3x plus 4x by 7 plus 2x by 5 is equal to 278. Using this, we can find the value of x, that is 70. Now using this value of x, we can find the three numbers. As we can see here, the largest number is 210 and the smallest number is 28. So the difference between these two numbers is 182. Thus the statement is correct. Second statement. P and Q's savings are in proportion with their ratio of their incomes. P's income is 12,000 and his savings is 4,000. If Q's income is 36,000, then the savings of Q is 15,000. Given P and Q's savings are in proportion with their ratio of their incomes, we can write 12,000 by 36,000 is equal to 4,000 by 15,000. Now let us check if this is actually in proportion by simplifying it. As we can see here, 12 by 36 can be simplified into 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is not in proportion to 4 by 15. So this statement is false. So the answer is the C option. Achiever section question number 48. There were X children and half as many adults as children at a library in the morning. An hour later, thrice the number of children and 40 more adults visited the library. Given number of children in the library is equal to x. Number of adults in the library is equal to x by 2. After 1 hour, number of children in the library is equal to x plus 3x and number of adults in the library is equal to x by 2 plus 40. Now, in the first question, how many people were now in the library altogether? The people in the library now is equal to, adding the number of children and number of adults in the library, we get 4x plus x by 2 plus 40. Second one, if x is equal to 56, then find the total number of people in the library now. Substituting the value of x in the equation, we can find the value of the total people, that is 292. Achiever section question number 49. Read the given statement carefully and state T for true and F for false. First one, the smallest 6-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 10 and 16 is 1,08,000. As we can see here, if it should be divisible by 10, the last digit should be 0. But over here in 1,08,000, the ones digit is 8. So it is not divisible by 10. So the statement 1 is false. Second one, the length, breadth and height of a hall are 5 meter 60 centimeter, 3 meter 25 centimeter and 6 meter 85 centimeter respectively. The length of the longest tape which can measure the 3 dimensions of the hall exactly is 25 centimeters. The length of the longest tape which measures 560 centimeter, 325 centimeter and 685 centimeter exactly can be found out by finding the HCF of the numbers. As we can see here that 25 is not a factor of 560 and 685. So statement 2 is false. And also here the HCF is 5. So statement 2 is false. Third one, the least value of star so that the number is divisible by 3 is 1. So the divisibility of 3 is to add all the numbers and check if it's divisible by 3. So if we add all the numbers, substituting the value of 1 in star, we can get the value of 30, which is divisible by 3. So statement 3 is true. Achieve section question number 50. Study the given figure carefully and answer the following questions. First, let us find the distance of each route. Distance of P is equal to 19 km 424 meters, while route Q is equal to 13 kilometers 520 meters. Route R is equal to 21 kilometers 38 meters, and route S is equal to 22 kilometers 810 meters. Now, using the value of all these routes, we can answer the following questions. First one, the ascending order of distance of all 4 routes is QPRS. The total distance traveled by route P and route S is equal to 42.234 kilometers. Route Q is 7.59 kilometers shorter than route R. That's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, turn on post notifications so that you guys never miss out on a video that I upload. And I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.